Disclaimer. Blah, blah, blah.
Can you tell me where you saw Willie? Is he behind this bush, this tree, or under this box? What? Wait, stop! I thought we were gonna play tag! I don't want to play this game anymore. I said I don't want to! Ugh.
Yeah, you found me. I guess it's my turn, huh?
No.
Huh? What are you talking about, Amanda? It's my turn.
No! I don't want to play this game anymore!
But Amanda...
Did you not hear me?
Hi, my name's Amanda. What's your name? Oh, that sounds familiar. Have we played this game? Where one person hides and you've gotta go find them. I'm looking for my friend. Wait, you think you see him?
What's got you fuming, buddy? What's got you raging, dude? Did something piss you off? You better learn to cope soon. This place eats doves for breakfast. You'll need some thicker skin. Cause if you're angry now, imagine how you'll feel when you check your bedroom and it's crawling with snakes. When every step you take's a face full of rakes. When even seats are threatening a certain sound. Your entertainment, who even needs a clown?
What comes next? Alright, you're the best. You must play this a lot. So ready or not, here I come. Oh no, she could be anywhere. Do you see Amanda?
Now watch us play our part. Now watch us dance and sing. Don't want to fall apart like kids who never seem to scream. We get to play all day, but can we play my way? Got another game, so can you try it with me?
Get your Jack's toy, get a little laugh, boy. So you're not down to clown, well I won't let that get me down. I'm your Jack's toy, have a little laugh, boy. I say I'm sorry, but it's not that kind of party.
Hi, my name's Amanda. Oh, hi, it's you again. We're playing hide and seek. Seems like it never ends. Isn't it getting boring? We have more fun today if we try something else. But hide and seek away.
Wait, please give me a second. So let me get this straight. The mini jester thinks there's a solution to our fate. Wait, let's hear her out. Got nothing here but time. Just let us in on what will save us here. We miss a sign. You hear that, audience? You're in for a show. We're breaking numbers, but we're suffering though. And as you chuckle on your side of the screen, I think I'll join you giving a little beam. What is it? Are you crying from the jab to the side? Can't handle snide comments, looking to confide in Ragatha. Good luck with that to ya. I'm giving gold to those misfortunate enough to end up in a circus from a rancid purchase of a headset. Just my luck had gone and cursed us.
I'm thinking how we play tag when I say you're it and I'm running zigzag. Can we be happy if we make believe?
Amanda.
I'm ready to play. I'm ready.
Amanda.
What?
Now that you're wanting to play tag, but it's my turn now.
It's my turn now.
It's my turn
It's
now.
my turn.
Now watch us play our part. Now watch us dance and sing. Don't let it break your heart. Just play along and never.
We get to play all day, but can we play my way?
Get your Jack's toy, get a little laugh, boy. So you're not down to clown, well I won't let that get me down. I'm your Jack's toy, have a little laugh, boy. I say I'm sorry, but it's not that kind of party. That's me. I'll keep you company. Still me.
Now watch him fall apart. Now watch him gush and bleed. He had a beating heart that ended with a little scream. Now we can play all day, and we will play my way, play my own game. So can you try it with me?
Now watch us play our part. Now watch us dance again. Couples making our distance, they have that day.
That was my favorite hiding spot.
Hold on. Is that?
Amanda, what?
It is. It's you.
Okay, I'm ready for the music video. Where do I... where is everybody?
You're late. They already did the dang thing.
What? Huh? Oh...